Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Vacation Nation, where every day is a vacation, and in today's video we are going to be showing you some different types of room at Coco Reef. Okay, so this is the door here as you enter, right? And this is the general basis of the room, right? So you walk in here, this is the bathroom. It's me. You have one mirror here, and you have a next very big mirror here, and this is the bathroom to be the area here. Very clean so far. Kleenex. You have, okay, I don't know why, hold on. Right, so it has shampoo, conditioning, body lotion, soap, body lotion again, right? Some Kleenex. This is a sink here, the toilet paper, towels, right? So this is it here. You have this desk here, don't mind my stuff. My rum punch, drinks wasn't included in it, 2 bottles of water with ice. The TV, I mean, from first glance the TV definitely needs some updating. I'll scroll through the channels and see if it's greeny like that, but it's greeny. You have the chest of drawer here, a little coffee nook here, coffee and tea is included. I love that for me because, guys, I love coffee. This is the bed, king size bed. Of course, your girl, it has to have air condition because I need the AC, right? This is the cupboard area here, a nice long mirror, right? You'll see I have my merch on, Vacation Nation, where every day is a vacation, and that's my mantra. Every day is a vacation, regardless of your home is a vacation, right? This is the cupboard area here. Ironing board. I don't intend to do any ironing. I'm not a girl like ironing, so yeah. The side lamp, right? And then this is it, bed here, TV. Yeah, come out to the balcony. I have a really good view. I have the pool area, right? Zoom into the pool. Zoom out that side, and the beach is right there. There's the beach bar there, and the beach is right there. I don't want to say it's a man-made beach. Probably it is. But the waves are very gentle. There's a breakwater there, so obviously it's not going to be rough, because right next door is Toby, and Toby is rough, right? It's very rough. So that is it, guys. So guys, this is me in Coco Reef. I never thought I'd be able to stay here, but at least coming here I could always speak about or see who is the client geared towards this, because this hotel is not for everybody. Just like Sandals is not for everybody, this hotel is not for everybody, unfortunately. There are people who are budget travelers, not willing to spend the kind of money, and there are people, and that is fine, because when I travel on a budget, so I go bare minimum. There are the times for that. And then there are people who, regardless of the location, they are willing to spell the bag. And we are all travelers alike. It doesn't matter the type of traveler. Our main thing is to go and experience what the country or the destination has to offer, right? So that's your room tour. I want to go and walk around a little bit, but I need to take off these shoes, or maybe I should lay down for a few. Actually, I think I'll go and do a little walking around. Yeah, if I go, I won't be able to go on the beach, so I'll go with this. I'll take off my shoes on here. Is it max in a room for?
2 adults to train under 12, or you can do 3 adults.
Okay.
Yeah.
is pretty.
This is the sunset here.
Oh, nice.
Bedroom, two bathrooms are remaining. There's a main bedroom. And there's a jacuzzi.
Yeah, that is right.
So from this room, you can sit and see the sunsets.
Look at you seeing stuff here. Bright as day.
So what I tell the guests is they have an open balcony and they have a